Hey friends, welcome back to Style with Seint, and we're doing a style class on eyeshadow. And so we've done some episodes already. We're just building on our eye look. So now we're going to get into a two-tone color scheme. And if you're interested in that, stay tuned. If you like what you're seeing, want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and like, as I would like to keep in touch with you. All right, so now we're going to go with a two-tone. So now we've just added on our halo underneath, which is the same color that we did the windshield wiper motion with. But now I want to add a two-tone to that. I can go a little lighter, I can go a little darker. I can play with that a little bit. So I'm going to stick with a matte color here, and I'm going to go with one called Philly. It's quite a brown color. I'm going to take that little smudge end of the brush again, and I'm going to just dab it in the center. Not the center, the side corner of my eye there. And I'm going to bring it going under and just darken that a little bit. And I'm not going to go the whole way because then it goes lighter with the other one. Now that one did not it blends in there really well, which I like, but on video it might not show it. So we have a little brush cleaning tile that you can put in your compact, and then you can just take some color off your brush and go on to the next one and use the same brush. So let me try that with Ivy League. Pick a green. Just grab a little of that product in the corner. I have brown eyes, so I figure I can wear almost any color, but I love when people have blue eyes and green eyes and that, and they can pick up some of these colors. Oh, it just brings out their eyes so nice. But now I can put that Ivy League and blend that in on the corner. The nice thing is with these, you can build up your coverage for as much as you want. All right, now we have two different looking eyes. So I'm going to just Ivy League this one up just so I can carry on adding in the next class and that they look similar. This just shows you how buildable this can be with very little product. And we can have a two-tone halo effect. All right. So remember, I'm loving helping women in their 30s, 40s, I'm in my 50s, with their makeup routine, simplifying it. So stay tuned, stay in touch, follow along, subscribe, and until next time, live, love, learn, and laugh.